Good morning. We're in front of one of the worst houses in Mastic Beach, 51 Daisy. All you have to do is look at this house and it tells a story. It's a story that we're changing. We're cleaning up Mastic Beach, and we're doing it by taking down what we consider to be one of the worst houses in Mastic Beach. Long abandoned, long an eyesore, long something that people have called on us to do something about. And with me is Councilman Dan Panico.
Thank you, Ed. Well, this is a monument of blight in Mastic Beach, something I always vowed that if legally permissible, I would take down. I don't remember anyone ever living in this house, which now is on wetlands. It's a house that's so bad you could film a horror movie here. It looks like a movie set. It's coming down today, and the town of Brookhaven is going to topple this monument of blight, and this whole area will be better for it.
Once it's down, we will restore the wetlands and leave it in its natural state, and it will benefit all of the neighbors. So without further ado, we have a private contractor, Panzer, because it does have asbestos, but let's get the engines rolling. Okay, guys.